First thing to know about Premier is that we know the education world. We understand that booking speakers and planning education events can be a large task. That's where Premier can come in and really add value to your system, give you time, whether that is time that you're needing to devote to your students or to your own teachers if you're a leader at the school. Either way, we're going to provide something for you that will make your job a whole lot easier. We understand that policies, laws, sometimes can be restrictive in the education world, whether it's payment terms or how things are contracted. Premier is 100% PO friendly as well as district contract friendly. So if you have a certain process that you go through to book your speakers, we can be flexible with you to find the right process and the right way to get that speaker booked. Sometimes the hardest part of planning an event is the very beginning. Where do you start? Where can you go from here? We know maybe what budget we have. We know what topic we have. We know, hey, we have a teacher event or a leaders event or a student assembly. The best thing to do is to reach out to Premier, myself, and give us as much information that you have. From there, we can personalize a proposal with speakers, their fees, their travel requirements, if any, as well as give you the resources, their speech topics, videos, reviews, all within just a few minutes. So starting sometimes is the hardest part, but we try to make it the easiest. We understand these aren't just normal events. They're life-changing events. Events that eventually could change the course of a child's life, of a teacher's career, of a leader's performance. In my 11 years at Premier, I've seen incredible outcomes. Lives changed, schools transformed. It's something that is a unique part of my job that I absolutely love. And I look forward to working with you on your upcoming event.